Hello guys, this is Tucker with Tuck Swin. Today we're reviewing the cup holder hero inserts for my 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. Alright, so what they are is little inserts for all of your cubbies and cup holders in your car. Door handles, everything. One of the things I wanted on my 2020 vehicle is to keep it clean. So knowing that I can take out the insert, my personal impression is that you can machine wash these in the dishwasher, or just scrape them off with some Lysol wipes or anything like that. It gives it a good little pop of color in your car too with the orange trim. So it's a little bit of customization and a little bit of protection. I will go into a quick install video, and then from there I will give you about a week's out what I think of the product after using it on a day-to-day routine with my Uber guests, with my Lyft guests, and seeing if it really is worth spending your money for just a little bit more added protection. Hey YouTubers, today I'm out here reviewing the cup holder hero. Alright, this is a 2017 to present on the Subaru Impreza and the 2018 to present on the Subaru Crosstrek. Today we're going to be installing this on my brand new 2020 Pure Red Subaru Crosstrek Premium. I thought while I have it new, let's go ahead and keep the inside pristine. So it's a very simple install today, so we'll be going over that. And the first thing they want to say is go ahead and scan the QR code or go to their link below to check out the instructions. There's not that many instructions on this. The main thing is they want to make sure all the cup holder inserts are clean before you install. One of the perks of having a brand new vehicle is they're already clean from the factory. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing those and go from there. All right guys and gals, I quickly laid out all of the placemats first. I just wanted to make sure I had a pair of everything, and with cup holder heroes I had no doubt that I would get exactly what I ordered. I got it in this orange trim just to make the inside pop a little bit more with all the orange stitching on the steering wheel and seats. So now that I have everything laid out, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and start opening up the doors on the vehicle. One of the main reasons I got this is, as you can see in the back here, sometimes, even right here, my Uber guests do not leave the car in the condition I started the day with. So knowing that I can start this from the purchase of a new car and have it cleaned up, that's gonna help me a lot. I'm gonna start off with some of the obvious ones. I believe these are going to be the center cup holds on the front, and then this one that's oblong is going to be on the front insert here. So all right, see, I already got the first one wrong, so have not figured out where the circle ones go, but the flat insert does not go up here either. It goes inside here, I believe. All right, maybe backwards. See, this is why I wanted to do it without looking at the instructions, just like any of y'all would. Y'all guys say it's simple, let's just throw in some placemats, and obviously I'm already getting them wrong. So in those front cup holders, I saw that they were going to be either this shape or one of these, so I'm gonna start with these first. All right, going in, yes, so we got a successful fit there. We're going to place these in there. I'm gonna go ahead, drop off this crinkly paper and plastic that they gave us. So all right, so with the center console one, already done this one. Still a little bit of mystery. I think this is going to go inside the glove box, which I'll go ahead and take a look at. I know this one's going to go inside the glove box as well, and we'll go from there. So the exactly square one, I believe, is going to go inside the glove box to make for a perfect fit. All right, and that was true. So perfect fit in the glove box. And this goes right back there. So if anything catches in that little tray, you're covered. Easy to take out, wash off, and go from there. All right guys, so now we're coming down to some oblong shapes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these inserts. They're either gonna be the front driver doors or the rear driver doors. So let's see how this fits. I don't know, it's just a little off. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it in the back real quick, see if this is gonna be the exact fit, because absolutely it is. So these will go in the rear seats, and the slightly longer ones will go in the front doors. So all right, now let's see what else we can find here. So we'll go ahead and get these for the front doors. They're pretty obvious. All right, well, I've never been good at shapes, so inserting these, it's like I'm going back to high school geometry or something. So whichever math that was with the shapes and everything. So all right, cool, perfect fit. And if they're not perfect fit, they're probably just in the wrong spot, guys. So don't give up. I know Cup Hero Holders has reached out to me, and we've talked about the product for a while. I Uber, and like I said, this saves a lot of time cleaning up after guests. So I got these next. I don't know where they're gonna go. Possibly down here, but it actually, yep, absolutely fits. So down in there, perfect fit. Let's go over to the other side. You know, a lot of people can do this a lot faster if they just look at their instructions and go to one door with all the exact panels. You know, me being Tucker, I don't do that. I like to make more work on myself, but in that, I'm showing y'all exactly how I do it. All right, so let's get these two. Don't know where these are going yet, and I'll get these two because they're either going in the front door panels or the back door panels. These look like they're going in the front. All right. All right, so that's not the right one. Not exactly a perfect fit. Might just been the wrong side. And yes, it was. All right, so I got these in. They're all staying in place. Awesome. So meaning the back seats are gonna have the circular ones. We're just gonna drop those in. And I'm still pretty questionable about those. So I'm gonna take that back out. Honestly, the cup inserts might be for a higher trim, Impreza or Crosstrek, that is going to have a center armrest in the back seat. So my Crosstrek does not have any center cup holders, which might be what those are for. So yeah, we did everything up here. No more cup holders in the front. The front is actually done. So we're gonna put those aside. We'll grab these. These must be for our back door panels. All right, these oblong shapes. Everything's oblong to me because I do not know how to describe it. All right. You can tell if you play me on one of those cell phone games that match up shapes, you're gonna win pretty easily. At this point, I'm sort of stumped here. I might have to actually pull out the manual. All right, That's fitting, not exact fit, but nothing is this shape. Down in here, I know that's tough to see, but nothing's that shape that I got, unless they want to just insert the all right, we're gonna postpone that. We'll go on the other side. Actually gonna drop off the two pieces I didn't use yet, which are those two, and pick up the cup holders, because I think in the back seats, since I did just get a 2020, they might just be slightly different, which, no harm to cup holder heroes. I did get a 2020 within the month that they released, so I'm just gonna place the circle ones down in there. So we'll have that. I'll do the same on the other, and it seems we'll have two extra little pieces, which are these two. These two will be extra. Thank you, cup holder heroes. I know I will be able to use this type of material in another project, so. All right. Well, that's it. Everything is in. It just highlights a little bit of the cup holders, goes with the trim. And from there, I just want to thank Cup Holder Heroes for making a quality product. I know we had some extras, but that's nothing bad. Everyone can deal with some extras, but everything's perfect. I want to just say thank you. I hope all y'all have a great day. Peace. Hey YouTubers, hey, this is Tuxwin back at it. I just want to do a follow-up from the install of the Cup Hero on my 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. So I want to let you know, I've used it for about a week, using Ubers and everything, and they make a mess of my car, sadly. So I will say these are lifesavers. Take them out, just wipe them off, throw them in the dishwasher if you need to. That's my personal little trick. And going from there, you'll keep your cups clean. Cup holders. So I have them all installed. I will make a note during my little install. I said these were in the back. They're not. These are for limited trim Crosstreks that have the center console in the second row. And so these won't be used in mine since I have a premium. And going off of that, I swapped out the other pieces that weren't for here. Other than that, I hope you all have a great one. Huge shout out to Cup Heroes, Cup Holder Heroes. They make a great product. I love these things. Just the little things that make your car different than everyone else's and keeps it clean and protected. So I hope you all have a great one.